Happy Halloween, Prairie Dogs! Today is Tuesday, October 31st, 2023. Remember those Diggs behaviors today, especially when we have our parade and parties this afternoon. We want to see you demonstrating kindness, showing integrity, giving 100%, and having a safe body. Lunch today, we have some spooky meals coming from nutrition services. We have yellow slime over crunchy leaves, or we have squished brains and a ghost finger. Which spooky meal are you going to choose? Some reminders about today. We have our Halloween parade at 1:30, and then following that will be your classroom parties. If you're somebody who doesn't want to participate in the parade, that's okay. Just come on down to the office. Also, we have Hooptown practice after school for some of our Hooptown players. Remember today, our costumes are staying in our backpacks until it's time to change into them. We're not wearing anything scary on our costumes or putting on makeup. And we are not having props that could look like weapons or that could be weapons. So make sure to keep those things tucked away if you did accidentally bring them today. All right, for our counselor comments today, we're talking about bullying. That's what our lessons are on right now, and it's an important thing for us to all remember. Remember that bullying is somebody being hurtful to somebody else on purpose over and over again. And it's just one person targeting another person. It's not both people being mean to each other. If you see that bullying, the first thing that we need to do is tell an adult right away. We'll talk more about this in our lessons the next couple of weeks. All right, our Tuesday trivia. We have our winners from last week. It looks like I was successful in making it a little bit trickier for you guys. Our K2 winners were Mrs. Smith, Mrs. Beal, Mrs. Lemon, and Mrs. Day, who correctly answered that adults have 32 teeth. Good job. Also, our 3rd through 5th grade winners from last week were Mr. Hayes, Mr. Huntington, and Mrs. Bordeaux, who correctly told us that giraffe necks have 7 bones. Great job to those classes. And for today's trivia, we've got some Halloween trivia for you. Kindergarten through 2nd grade. I want to know what kind of candy was originally referred to as chicken feed. 3rd through 5th grade. What vegetable was once thought to have special powers on Halloween? Put your best guesses on a Post-it and bring it down to my door. All right, we dig every day on the prairie, and it is now time for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand. You may begin.